Hi, welcome to my channel. It is Dizzy Slay MUA. Today we're going to be using the Chocolates by JUVIA'S and the Nudes by JUVIA'S, and we're going to get this queenie look right here, okay? Hope you guys are ready. It's gonna be quick, fast. Stay tuned. Let's get started. All right, so let's get started. The first palette I'm going in with is going to be the Chocolates by JUVIA'S. So my brows are already done. And I primed my lid with the P. Louise. This is in rumor number 4. Okay? So, if you're using the brushes that I recommended, I'm going to start with, sorry, I'm trying to get rid of some of the color on it from doing this eye. So I'm going to start with the short, fat white brush. So the fluffy white one. It's like this. Okay. So this is the brush that we're starting with. The short fluffy. Alright, so we're starting off with this pretty shade right here. Okay? Okay. And we're putting it right here. Okay, guys. This is gonna be like our main color today. Okay, not too much. And we're only gonna take it to a little over halfway. So we're gonna go about 2/3. Yeah, remember I'm doing fractions now, okay? I'm gonna do like 2/3 in our crease. This comes out so beautifully. Like, I didn't even have to try hard to get any color. Okay, now the next brush we're going to go in with is the long, fluffy white brush. So it's a little thinner, but it's long. Okay, the one from the ones I recommend. And in this palette still, we're using this one right here. And we're just gonna use this to blend out the color we have right here. Ooh, it's blending out so pretty. You see? It's not so dark on the edge. Ooh, I like it. I like the way you Hey. Now we're using the short, little stubby black brush. And we are using this dark brown up here. Like, this eye comes together so fast, y'all. Like, this could be like a cute, like, oh, I gotta go out somewhere, bing, bam, boom. Sorry, I just wanna get closer for you guys, make sure you can really see what we're doing. All right, so this darker brown is going right here. Focus it down here. And we're gonna bring it up to about there. Okay. See? Okay. Now, with the long fluffy brush, let's go back into that first color, this one right here. Just tapping it in. And we're going to blend this out on the outside and the inside, okay? So we're just basically like going around it. And that's how we're gonna blend that out. If you need to get more color, go ahead, make sure you tap it off so you're not using too much. If you hear me like, look, that's me tapping. See, I blended the inside as well. Cause a nice little ombre blendedy. It's a nice little ombre blended effect. Okay. Yes. I love this. It's just like so like smoked out. And it's like, hey, I want to be soft. I'm like, go ahead, do your thing. Alright, next. We are going into the nudes. And I want to use this color right up here in the middle. Make sure you're cleaning your brush off. I do have this little scrubby brush cleaner, but when I really want to take color off, because I just used a small brush for a dark brown. So I'm just taking a paper towel and wiping off any excess that may be there. So that way I can use a light color with this brush, okay? So, again, in case we forgot, that's this color right here. And we're gonna start this all the way over here. Okay, we're just pressing it in. This is gonna be a pretty base for the shimmer that we got going on over here. And you want to stop it like right where we put the brown right here. Alright, because we lost a little bit of that brown, we don't have to go back into the palette. Just take that fluffy brush, because we were just using it. Circular motions right there. Even up here. That's it. And that's how we get those to blend. See? Now, back into the nudes. We're going in with this shimmer right here. And we're gonna focus this on the inner corner of our eye. Just on the inner corner, okay? Ooh, sparkly, baby. Ooh, I'm in love. Okay, the next step, I'm going in with the JLarue. This is the Pigment White Gold. If you don't have this pigment, then feel free to go over that whole lid with this one from the nude palette. I just really like the loose shimmer. Can't help it. But the colors are like just about the same. So to apply this, I'm using the short fat brush. I'm sorry, I'm cleaning it off. So I'm using the short fat brush again. This one, okay? And I'll show you how to do it. I'm just going to lay it in there, tap off the excess, and I'm just patting it on my lid. That is it. Now I am taking our liquid liner. This is black, of course. And we are going to do a wing. You don't have to do a wing as thick as mine if you don't want to. Y'all should know by now that I'm extra. Unless it's your first time here, you're gonna learn today, okay? Let's wing it. All right, liner is done, or is it? Okay, so I have liquid eyeshadow. It is by NYX. This is called Glitter Goals. So it's legit like, I'll put some on my hand so you can see it. See? It is legit like glitter, but liquid. So I'm gonna use this with, I'm applying it with the old liquid eyeliner brush that I have. If you have like a thin brush, you can use one of those. If you don't want to do this part, you don't have to, because to me this is already a look. Like, it's a look. Alright, so I'll show you how to do this. And I'm just applying this at the top of our line, you see? At the top of our liner. That's it. I feel like every time I do this, I'm like set myself up for failure because I can never get the top of the line straight, but I just keep doing it. I don't care. Practice makes perfect. All right, and I'm gonna leave it at that before I mess it up because I'm like, I think it looks pretty good right now. So I don't wanna mess it up. Now for the bottom of our eye, super easy. I'm taking this concealer pencil. This is by Absolute New York. Yes, in the color medium. And I'm putting this in my waterline. If my eyes look like red or pinky, it's because I legit just did my makeup earlier. And of course I like to use colors that stain. Alright, concealer's in our waterline. Ooh, baby doll eyes. Directly under that, I'm going in with a brown pencil. This is Kiss Luxury Eyeliner in Intensifying Brown. Cool beans, cool beans. Let's get a move on, baby. All right, now we're taking this brush right here, the pointed tip white one. You probably can't tell it's pointed because I already used it. There it is. And in our chocolate palette, we're using this one right here to blend out the brown. So pretty. It looks so warm. Like, it's like cool and warm at the same time. How you do it, Juvia? How? All right. This is it for the eye look. I told you it was super fast. So I'm going to pop on my other lash and do my whole face. If you have any questions about how I do my whole face, I have videos for it. Feel free to click on any of them, I promise, okay? So I will be right back. All right, guys, this is our final look. I told you it was quick, fast. It's probably like another 10-minute tutorial. That's how fast this eye look goes. So again, we used the Nudes by JUVIA'S and also the chocolates, and I feel like these two combined is perfect. And I feel like a little African goddess. Everything else I used on my face, I will list down below for you. Don't worry about it. If I forget to mention something, just message me. You already know I have a bunch of time in the world, quarantining, feeling very non-essential. So don't forget to like this video, give me that thumbs up on the gang. Also, if you have not subscribed already, please do, and then hit the notification bell that is down below, and you will know every time I post a video. Freaky, right? If you're feeling froggy, share it too. Super easy. I really like how this came out. Oh my god. But I gotta hurry up and wash it off because the primer I just used is breaking my face out. It burns so bad. So it's been Dizzy Slay MUA. Bye.